gonna show me?
Here.
Oh, this is my chair. Okay. Lunch time. Oh, my dress. Who's gonna pray for us?
Me.
I remember to pray long. Now pray in my head.
I didn't expect to hear that from you, Wanga.
Hey, you 30 minutes an hour.
Serious?
Me and Wadwa sometimes we even have to sit down while we are praying, especially at night. Bedtime we sit down, sometimes even start sleeping.
Hey.
A memory.
Yes? No, you play what?
And I'm praying
But Wanga
alone.
said that I take long.
I don't care. Just pray.
Okay.
Pray.
Okay, Wanga, play, please. Pray for us.
I'll pray silently.